Hey guys, in today's episode we're going to be taking you on a travel adventure to Scottsdale, Arizona, where I'm currently at, where we are doing all the Cirrus Deice boots, and we are doing details on all the Cirrus Vision jets at the Cirrus ConVerge here in Scottsdale, Arizona. Hey there, fellow aviators and detailers. Welcome to my channel, The Plane Detailer, where we embark on an incredible journey around the globe, diving deep into the art of aircraft detailing. I'm Brandon, owner of SparrowHawk Houston and a proud trainer for the Aviation Detailing Association, known as the ADA. Join me as we explore the world of aviation and I share tips, tricks, and techniques to keep these antique beauties in pristine condition. Let me be your guide as we go about preserving these magnificent flying machines that are truly pieces of art. So buckle up and hit that subscribe button to follow along on this adventure. Let's preserve the legacy of these aircraft together, one detail at a time.
Red Beard Detailer. What's up, everybody?
And the Plane Detailer, we're going to be co-hosting the Cirrus ConVerge here in Scottsdale, Arizona. As you guys can see behind us, we have all the Vision jets that are starting to appear here. We're going to have a lot of Vision jets here that we're going to be detailing and stripping, polishing, and resealing of all the silver Deice boots. So it's going to be a fun trip, and stay tuned, guys. We have our list of jets that we're going to be doing today. This is our first client. We were here earlier this morning. We came here at 5 o'clock this morning, 5:30 this morning. We got started, and we worked about 11 o'clock until the plane just got too hot with the sun to continue working. So we don't have no hangar. They're not letting us put the planes in the hangar at all. So what we have to do is we have to work with what we have. So what we are doing is we are detailing all the planes on the tarmac, and we're stripping the Deice boots as well on the tarmac. So we have to wait till the planes cool down, and the sun kind of goes down. And as you can see now, there's a shadow on all the planes. So the planes are nice and cool to the touch. So, like, you feel the plane well, a lot cooler to the surface. So perfect conditions now for us to do what we have to do on the tarmac. So we're going to be working morning shifts here, and we're going to be working night shifts as well, and kind of go home and, you know, have lunch during the middle of the day when it's the hottest part of the day. And it's going to be a fun little time. All right, we are finishing up day one. We have 5 boots, 5 planes that we stripped all the boots and sealed them up today. We also did 2 full details as well. We're going to be back at 5 o'clock in the morning to do the details, all the boots that we did all the stripping on. And then we're back tomorrow night to do all the stripping on the next planes for the next day. We are back. It is day 2 of the Cirrus ConVerge, and we are outside of Atlantic Aviation. We have over 80 Cirrus Vision jets here that we're detailing. We are doing interior, exterior details and all 4 Deice boots. We have a show special going on, and we have timed it out perfectly. We have realized that during the day it gets really hot at 11 o'clock, and we're not unable to detail the planes since they're all outside on the ramp. So what we've done is we have all the planes scheduled on who's leaving first. We come at night, just like right now, it's 4 o'clock in the afternoon now. The sun is just about to go over this building, and it's going to cast a shadow on all the planes there. All the planes will then cool down to the point where we can do all of our details and have enough light to work in through the night. Then the lights up there turn on at night, and we're able to continue working throughout the night for however long we need to make sure that we get everybody done on time and on schedule. So that's a great thing. Then we come by in the morning time before it gets hot and do all the details. So we're doing all the de-ice boots at night. That takes the longest amount of time. Last night we were able to knock out 5 full planes full of de-icers. So we're knocking out these planes. Day 2, we're going to knock out some more planes tonight, and we're going to get down to it. Well guys, we are back for a day 3 of the Cirrus ConVerge. It is 6:48 in the morning. We've been out here for about an hour already. It is a brisk 61 degrees outside, and I am loving all of that. We are wrapping up here, guys. This is the end of night 3 at the Cirrus ConVerge. We have done a lot of planes here. We have done stripping, sealing, the de-ice boots, all 4 boots on each plane. We've done interior and exterior details of each plane as well. We're waiting on the last plane now. We're just sealing up the boots, and then we're packing up and we'll be out of here, and we'll be driving back home. It was a great fun time out here, a lot of great experiences, a lot of great memories, meeting new connections. So thank you for enjoying this video, and we'll see you in our next one.